Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a photo shuffle wallpaper on iOS 26. Okay, to do it, we need to open up our photos. Now, open up one of the photos that you want. Now, click the button on the left side. Now, select the second photo, for example, this one. Now, scroll down a little, and in here, as you can see, we can create a photo shuffle wallpaper. Simply click on the button. Okay. Of course, we can also adjust the colors. And now as we tap, we can see the preview. To save it, simply click on Add. Now click on, you can also set it as a wallpaper pair. Click on that. And that's all. Alright, that's all on this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.